we are very proud. I hope you...
17 years I always participate in furniture in international mobile messe in Perth.
I would like to show you the model. Excellency President Widodo, Mrs. Widodo, Mr. Ambassador, Mrs. Groseno, dear representatives of the media, dear ladies and gentlemen, it's both a great honor and a pleasure for me to welcome the President of the Republic of Indonesia here in Hannover, here in our City Hall. Mr. President, Mrs. Widodo, on behalf of all the people here in Hannover, especially from me and my wife, once again a warm welcome to our city, a warm welcome to Hannover. Thank you very much for your visit to Germany. Your visit is not only a great honor and a pleasure for us personally, but it's also a great honor for our city and all the people here in Hannover. For most, it is an important sign for the very close and fruitful relationship between both of our countries. I again want to express my deepest thanks to you, Mr. President, for your remarkable contribution of Indonesia as a partner country for the success of the Hannover Messe. The commitment of Indonesia is particularly appreciated. We are highly impressed to see so many innovative exhibitors from Indonesia. We are sure that Indonesian companies will meet a large, qualified audience, establish collaborations with numerous participants, and build strong global networks. We hope that the Hannover Messe will contribute to promoting the national brand, attracting investors, and increasing exports. Once again, thank you, Mr. President and Mrs. Widodo, for your visit, and now I would like to invite you to sign our Golden Book.
Saya Tifa Solesa. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.